In this video, I'll be using Chocolatey to package and install Cyberduck. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. And now I'll begin this video by downloading all the necessary files for my package, and I will start with the installation file. And for that, I will click on the link that I have here. That brings me to the Cyberduck download page. Here, I will click on Cyberduck for Windows to start the download, and I will go back to my GitHub page. Because here I have this NuGet package called template, and I will be using it to create my Chocolatey package. I will click on the file, then I will click on the button right here to download the package, and I will go to my downloads folder. And currently here I have the template file and also the installation file. And now I'll double click on the template file, and it opens up with the NuGet package explorer. And because I will be packaging the installation file inside of my Chocolatey package, I will right click on tools. Then I will click on Add Existing File. I will select the installation file that I have in my Downloads folder. And as you can see, the installation file appeared in this package. Now I will double click on Chocolatey install script. I will click Edit, and I will go back to my GitHub page. Because here I have this PowerShell snippet that is responsible for executing the installation from the package. As you can see, it finds the installation file inside of the package. Then it executes the installation, and after that it removes the executable from the computer. So let's copy the snippet by clicking on the button right here. Let's insert the script in our package, and here we need to provide few values. Here we need to provide child path, and for the child path we need to provide the installation file name. Let's go back to the downloads folder, and I will right click on the installation file, select the rename. I will select the full name to include the extension, then right click again and select copy. Now let's insert the value here. Now we need to provide the package name. I will call it Cyberduck. Now for the file type, because we are using .exe file, we need to provide exe. And now we need to provide silent switches because we want this installation to be executed silently. So let's go back to the GitHub page, and here I have the silent switch. So I'll click on the button right here to copy the value, go back to the package and insert the value here. I will also select the version number from the file name, and I will copy it. Let's save the script, and then let's go back. And now we need to provide few bits of information about the package here. Let's click on this edit button. For the ID, I will enter Cyberduck, and for the version number, I will paste in the value that I copied from the file name that I have here. And now for the description, let's say it, I don't know, let's call it package, that's enough. And that's basically it. Now we can save the information by clicking here. And now let's save the package by going to File, Save As, and I will save it inside of my Downloads folder. And I will be using my Downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository when installing this package. So let's click on Save. And that's it. Now before starting the installation, I will go to Control Panel to show to you that I don't have Cyberduck currently installed, and let's open the terminal application as administrator, because we need to have administrative privileges to install the software. And let's type choco install Cyberduck, and because I'm using my downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository, I need to enter -s and then provide my Chocolatey repository location. So it's my D drive and my downloads folder. And I will also add -y. And let's press enter and wait a bit. And it seems that the installation is successful. If I go to my start menu, we can find Cyberduck here. I will click on it and let's wait a bit more. And it seems to be working just fine. Also, if I refresh my software list here, we can also see Cyberduck in the software list. And that's basically it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.